Hello everyone, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. This video is about comparison between two smartphones, Xiaomi Mi4i versus Motorola's Moto G 3rd generation. Both of them have the same price, but which one to buy? So we're gonna do a comparison. The display of Xiaomi is one of the strongest points, and the 1080 pixels display on the Xiaomi Mi4i looks absolutely amazing and crisp at the same time. It is better than that of Motorola's 720 pixel screen. Xiaomi is known for fitting in great hardware at low cost, and in this case they have given 1.7 gigahertz octa-core processor. Motorola Moto G 3rd generation has a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor, which looks weaker than Xiaomi Mi4i. It seems like the top trends includes having a big camera on both sides of the phone. Following the same trend, both the phone have 13 megapixel back camera and 5 megapixel front camera. Both of the phones also have similar battery backup but different battery powers. The Moto G has a 2470 mAh battery, whereas Mi4i has 3120 MHz powerhouse. For further details, click the link below and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and comment below. See you down there.